Okay, people, we got a Mazda. We got a, I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. We're gonna change the inner tire rod and the outer tire rod. First, you jack it up, take the tire, put your tire down there for safety, and then we keep on working. Let me show you. Just jack it up. Good enough. Wear your gloves. Safety. I mean, you're supposed to start it with the gloves, but I didn't. What we do? This car was in an accident, but right now he needs the tie rod, the inner tie rod and the outer tie rod. It bends in the accident, so we're gonna change it. This is 2012. 2012, I think Mazda 3. So you take out this, the nuts, all of them, and you grab them and just throw them away. You don't need them. Nah, I don't know, but you always need them. And it's another thing that you always, when you need them, you don't find them. It's like you lose them. I don't know, it happened to me a lot. So put the tire on the bottom for safety. I'm gonna show you. That's the tire there. This is the jack right there. We took out this. How you can see, this is bent. I guess with the accident, it bent and it touches the link bar right here. So we're gonna replace this too. The inner tie rod and the outer tie rod. So we're gonna work on that now. We're gonna turn the tire this way so we can work on the outer tire. So we got this loosened up already, you see. Now we're gonna take out, we got the pin out. Now we're gonna take this out so we can work on taking the outer tire rod first, and then we work on the inner tire rod. When you take this out, you're supposed to count the thread going back, so that way you can try to get it level, how it was level, you know, so you don't be doing this. What happening here? The tire is hitting here. That's why, because this is bent. It's not supposed to be bent like that. So yeah, let me work on it. I'm sorry, I'm recording parts, but it's that I'm by myself here. When you get the nut out, you grab one of these, and I'm sorry, I'm doing it with one hand and record at the same time. Sorry about the noise. I'm gonna have to do it both hands because it's harder for me. But you get the idea. You hit it here and it will come out. So yeah, and then you take out this and count it. So I'm gonna try. Let me see if I can do it right now. There you go, it came out. That's how it was. Now you just gotta count the thread going out. So you will count, let's say 1, and you keep counting. So I'm gonna do it with both hands. So yeah, but I'm just giving you an idea of how it is. Now you get that out. Now you come here, because remember we're taking out the inner tire rod too. So you grab this. Oh, sorry, everything is hard for me to do with one hand. But you grab this right here. See if I get that. Pull it. Now, some of them you're gonna need to put W40. This one was easy to put it. Sometimes you need to put W40 here so you can you see how rusted it is, because it will tight on there real good. And now I don't know if you can see that over there. Over there's another thing you gotta get out, so you can take out this part, so the boot, so we can work on it. So I might not gonna be able to record that, but I'm just letting you know. And this is the, I forgot to record this. This is the tie rod. You can see the inner tie rod. You can see how bent it is. And I'm gonna record. I forgot to record you when I was taking it out. My helper here gonna help me to show you the new one, to show you the difference. It's very the new one right here, and you can see the new one is different. Sorry, you can see how it bent. In that accident, it bent like that. So yeah, so when you take it out, throw that one away if you want to. It's up to you. Now we're gonna put this one back. We do is put this hand tight first. Oh, sorry, hand tight first, and then we get this special tool right here that you use for the inner tie wrap, which is handy to have. And this is the one that fit on it. Well, in the last one, I don't know if the new one fits because sometimes they change. Yep, I think they changed. The big one. So we get a bigger one and we fit it there. So yes, I will record when I'm doing that. And now he's tightening that piece over there. There you go. Good. That's good. Don't over thread it. That's good. That's how you do it. This connection. And now you take it out. And that's tight in there already. That's how you do it. Now you put the boot. And then you put the protection for the boot, and that's how you do it. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna get first the boot. There you go, all the way. This is the boot going right here. See the boot going all the way, to there. Make sure it goes in like that. Now you tighten it with something here, or with a zip tie if you want to. You tighten it over there. But yeah, now. Get the other thing and put it here. So those things you know already.